Welcome to the AutoCAD 3D lecture. We're going to make the curve object. So let's just go the way we've been going. I'll open up a new project with my drawing template. And we haven't done this yet, but if you're in drafting and automation, click on this wheel here and turn it to 3D modeling. The first time I did that, it was in dark mode, so just to remind you, you click here and options, and you can change to light mode, and if your screen's messed up, click there and this box comes up and you can change that to white and you'll be back in white mode. I'm actually going to turn on my grid for this, so I'm going to do grid mode and I'll turn it on by pressing 1. Okay, and I'll come up here, and I'm having a hard time, so I'm going to hit escape. Why won't these open? Okay, I'm going to change this to northeast isometric and change that to shaded with edges. Alright, I'm going to draw a rectangle with visible lines though. I'm going to draw a rectangle, and it's going to be 19 by 21, like that. Okay, and that's like the base of this. And we're not going to extrude it, we're just going to pull it up. So I'm going to pull it up 8. Alright? And I'm going to hit escape, and I'm going to click on that object, and I'm going to go to its properties, and I can't see black lines that I draw on a black object, so I'm going to change it to green. I like green. Alright, now you may want to make sure that you have like endpoints turned on here. You just click this arrow here and have endpoints on, and I'm going to draw another rectangle right from this edge and come down, and that it's 5 by 21, and we're going to pull that up. So I'll pull that up, and that goes up 10. Now I can draw another rectangle from this corner, and it's 5 by 5, and now you see where I'm headed. I've got circles, 5 and 2.5. Great. Alright, now I'm going to do a line from here and go up 4. I'm going to bring this back. Yep, I was having this issue earlier too. So I don't know why this works better for me, but I'm going to grab this corner and come down, and it's going to come down 6. And now you would think I'd be on the right plane, but I don't think so. So it might be a little tricky for you. Let me try that again. I'm on that corner for sure, but it's like I'm on the wrong plane. Yeah. Okay. Try that again. Come up 4, and then I'm going to hold down and do tangent. I'm just going to pretend, and it's like I'm behind. I don't understand where that line is. And okay, I'm going to try a rectangle because, yeah, see, that's starting to show me where things are. Okay, what if I do a rectangle here? Cool. Alright, that'll work. And I don't really care what the length is, I just want to make sure that this is 6. There. And now maybe I can get this line. There it is. Make a tangent. And there we go, by holding down the control and then right clicking. I wonder if I can delete this line here or trim it. I don't see any way how, anyhow. Okay, well, we'll just go with it. I'm going to press pull. I'll just do them each separate. 5. Let's do this one first. And there we go. Yeah, I wish I could get rid of those lines. I'll try that in a little bit. Not for this video. Next, I'm going to cut this off. So I'm going to start right here at this corner here and come this way. And that would be 8. Right there. And then it would go to this corner. So now if I press pull this and bring it 21, that's gone. Okay, I could turn this around like that, and from this corner here, oh, that's wrong. Probably a way to choose what plane you're on. Now I'm on this plane. That's not what I want. Or does it just alternate? Yeah, see, I'm on that plane. But I don't want to. I want this plane. Well, this one. Okay, what if I use a line? From here, okay, I'm in the right place. I want to go, I'll go down here, and then I'll come out this way, and it's 5, so I'll tab, let me get that angle right. I wish I could see that's in the way. I think it would be 180. I'll tab it back. I know that it's not. It's not very cool how that note of specify the point is right in the way, so I can't read it. There we go. 5. And I can't come up. Maybe if I draw a different line from there. Okay, I'm going to play around with it a little bit, get my lines to work better, but it gets you a start. You can play around with it too and figure it out. But everything but the channel right here is done. So next video I'll do that, and we'll be just about done. See you in the next one.